All right, folks, let's dive headfirst into the exhilarating world of tech stocks and check out why AppLovin has been making waves today. Buckle up because it has been a roller coaster for AppLovin on the NASDAQ, and boy, do we have some juicy details. So AppLovin, the prodigal son of mobile app technology, has had its stock tumble down a whopping 22% this week. Why, you ask? Let's tap into this financial whodunit. It all started with a couple of short sellers, Fuzzy Panda and Culper Research, publishing reports that cast a bit of shade over AppLovin's glowing reputation. Picture this, AppLovin had raced through 2024 as a top-performing tech rockstar, boasting a jaw-dropping 714% increase. But suddenly, it hit the skids after these short sellers accused the company of some pretty serious misconduct. They claimed AppLovin's Axon 2.0 digital ad platform might have been playing some James Bond-esque tricks, artificially inflating ad sales with shenanigans. According to these reports, there's stuff like reverse engineering ad data, allegedly from Meta platforms, that's got everybody whispering. And the plot thickens. The suspicion got even more intense when accusations surfaced that AppLovin was making backdoor deals with mobile handset and network companies, slipping its software onto devices without user consent. Nefarious, right? Well, that's exactly how CEO Adam Foroughi saw it, as he fired back in a blog post, calling these claims a bunch of hooey made to drag down their stock price for some short-selling fun. He insists that AppLovin's AI marvels are on the up and up, adhering to legal and ethical standards. With the short sellers throwing these bombshell allegations, AppLovin investors were left in a bit of a quandary. This situation was further complicated by the involvement of the law firm Bragar, Eagle & Squire, which kicked off an investigation into whether AppLovin has been playing fast and loose with federal securities laws and other business practices. Yikes. Despite this drama, the parallel universe called the growth stock sector has AppLovin in a different spotlight. The company's numbers are, frankly, drool-worthy, with a zippy earnings growth and expectation-busting projections for this year. It's been doing fantastic in utilizing assets effectively, grabbing investors' attention even in these turbulent times. For growth-focused investors out there, AppLovin is being pegged as a dazzling gem, with its growth score gleaming brightly. Regardless of current share price wobbles, figures like projected 51.6% EPS growth put it ahead of industry peers. In conclusion, folks, AppLovin's mixed day in the news gives us everything from intrigue and tension to numbers that get mathletes excited. Stay keenly observant with this tech sensation, because whether it bursts back into prominence or faces more hurdles, it promises one heck of a story for any tech enthusiast. Stay tuned and keep your eyes sharp, because as any savvy stockholder knows, you gotta know what you own. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.